Sometimes, when I make a great effort, I can remember her scent. Serena, why can't I see you more clearly? Why can't I even remember? This was taken on that crisp winter night at our mutual friend's hunting lodge. We came back indoors, laughing, giddy as teenagers. So much wisdom and happiness in this bookcase. My life would have been much poorer without all this. The smell of old books is intoxicating. What happens to wood pulp as it ages gives... I loved it when we took down one of my favorites and curled up on the bed to read together as the wind howled outside. Sharing meals with a good red wine was one of the great pleasures. We had such a wonderful time dining in this cabin. Serena loved to experiment with her cooking. I should probably eat. Can't remember the last time I ate. The furniture came with the cabin, considering sometimes she would brush her leg against mine under the table when we were eating. A curious, sensual thrill. Quite a large armoire for our admittedly Spartan needs. She uses most of it. She used to keep magazines, paperback novels, usual. She is fairly religious. She adored all things of nature. I remember her long walks out in the woods.